Hello! So this is going to be my what I got for Christmas haul. Yes, I'm filming this way too late. Better late than never. So the first things I got are some Lush products. So here's the first one. Oh, it's like making a mess right now. It's a pink bath bomb. These are from my mom, by the way. There's a second one. So this is the bath bomb. Apparently there's like little things inside, I think. And there's like a star on the top. It's pretty cute. They smell really good. Okay, now I'll go to the clothes I got. Here is the first shirt. It is red. It says "Love Speaks Louder." It's from H&M. Here is the second shirt. I wore this all yesterday. I didn't wash it because I was like, I'm just gonna film this tomorrow. So it might be kind of smelly, but it's like a blue striped sweater. Then I have this cozy sweater. Oh my god. It's from Target. I haven't worn this yet. I'm excited to wear it. It's really soft. This shirt from H&M, I've already worn it. It's like a gray long sleeved shirt. Okay, there's this shirt that is from Phi, and it's like a Dunder Mifflin shirt, so a shirt from The Office. And now I have two pairs of leggings because leggings is like all I wear, and they're from Old Navy. Sorry, I can't think of store names. So that's the clothing portion. I got a pair of Converse. I wore these yesterday too. They are black. I love Converse. They're like the only shoe I wear. I wear like my white ones a lot and they look like really gross because they're white. But now I have a black pair too. Then I got these two Kat Von D products. There's this one, which is a concealer. I've had this concealer before and it covers a lot of stuff, so it's pretty good concealer. Then I have this liquid lipstick. This is what it looks like. It's in the color Lovesick. Okay, so writing in planners is my favorite thing to do. It's like the only thing exciting in my life. So I have this 60 gel pen set to write in my planners, and there are this little like shopping list and to-do list set. This one was purchased from Bella's Outlet, and this is from the little like Target section in the front. And so I have these blue light glasses. They're from Target. I watched the whole second season of You yesterday and I felt like my eyes felt better with these on. They like kind of hurt sometimes when I'm looking at screens for a very long time without glasses, but these ones are to help with that. So then I got two gift cards. I have a Chick-fil-A one, which is like the only food I eat, and then I have a Starbucks one, which is the only coffee I drink. I'm really excited. I'm gonna use these probably way too fast. This is some candy I got. I got some other candy too, but I ate it all. But here are some icebreakers. I also got like some chocolates. Like one last item. So this is a America like wood map because I wanted to do like a room decor video and I was like wanted to decorate this. So yeah, I have to think of some other ideas too for the room decor video, but this will definitely be one of them. So yeah. Okay, so that is all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this, you should subscribe because I have a lot of hauls coming soon for after Christmas sales. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you like this, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal there is to hit 30,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye! Hello!